In this second video, we will look at completing a workbook and adding evidence to it. By this point, you should have already logged into PebblePad and taken your copy of the workbook provided by your course. If this isn't the case, see video 1 for how to do this. Remember that once you've opened and saved your workbook for the first time, it will appear in your assets. You can confirm it has been submitted correctly and is visible to your tutor by checking this icon is lit to the right of your workbook. Now, we're going to look at how to complete the form items in a workbook. First, open the workbook by finding it in Assets and clicking on its name. You will notice across the top is a menu. You can use this to navigate between the various pages in a workbook. There may be various elements for you to complete in workbooks, including text fields, date pickers, tables and more. These are often really straightforward to use by simply clicking on them and entering the information you need. PebblePad is built around reflection, that is, considering what work or experience you have, analysing it and using it to demonstrate your learning. In your workbook you will find places for you to insert evidence. To add evidence, press the blue Add an Asset button. A pane will open which allows you to select something you've already uploaded to PebblePad. If you press the Upload tab, you can either drag and drop a file onto the pane to upload it, or you can use the file picker to find something on your device to upload. These can be photos, videos, written documents and much more. You can add more than one piece of evidence if necessary. You might find you use evidence numerous times for different skills. There is a place where you can explain how the evidence you've attached demonstrates the skills or learning required. You'll notice there are also rosettes, which show whether you have fully, partially or are yet to evidence that item. You are able to change these by checking the radio buttons showing your tutor whether you are fully, partially or yet to evidence the skill. Remember to save regularly to keep any alterations and work done in the booklet and not to lose progress. If we head back to the front page by clicking the PebblePad logo at the top left and then go to Assets, we can see a number of icons to the right of our workbook. Hovering the mouse over them will show you what they are for, such as comments, feedback, sharing with the web, etc. Next to this is the eye icon that can be clicked to view information on the asset, look at comments and review feedback. Here you will also find marks. Note that feedback can also be given page by page, so look carefully when you're in the workbook. Finally, be aware of the I want to menu option. In here you have further options for sharing assets with other students or on the web. Here you can get print versions and also choose to delete items.